Hi, Roarsmore friends. Ms. Wilson here, middle school drama teacher, saying hello today. And I want to show you the craziest thing that I have in my house. For sure, it's the craziest. You see that fish? Well, down below it, over my shoulder, can you see? Mr. Hensley is my husband, and he likes to go fishing. So he caught that fish quite a few years ago. And this is a copy of that fish. Yeah. It's a fiberglass fish. He caught that fish, and it took two other people to help him catch that fish. I don't know if any of you like fishing. I like reading while my husband fishes. But both of our daughters, who are 26, they don't eat any meat or fish or poultry. That's their thing. And so instead of keeping the fish and having it mounted, what Mr. Hensley did is he threw the fish back. So the fish is still alive. And there's a company that you can send them a picture of your fish and the weight and length and all that. And they make, I'm going to show you this. Let's see if I can get close up. They make a fiberglass. It's a kind of a plastic, a special plastic version of the fish. Let's see if I can get, there's the picture where he caught it. So I have a giant plastic fish hanging on my basement wall. Yes, I do. Yes, indeed. So that is for sure the weirdest thing I have in my house. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope our fish made you smile. Take care, everybody.